Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the comparing so you can do the smarter buying. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than Grandma's Thanksgiving pie. On the left, we've got the TENSSENX GPS drone, and on the right, the ATTOP Drone W10. Let's dive right in and see which one will make you the king of the skies. First up, let's talk cameras. The TENSSENX sports a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. This thing captures epic moments like your dog catching a frisbee in slow-mo. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 offers a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees view. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to your uncle's home videos. But hey, not everyone needs to shoot the next Avatar, right? Reviewers have praised the TENSSENX for its excellent camera quality, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 is noted for its decent camera quality, making it a good choice for casual fun moments. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The TENSSENX will set you back $169. It's like the Tesla of drones. On the flip side, the ATTOP W10 comes in at just $69. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner date. So if you're ballin' on a budget, ATTOP W10 is your new best friend. But if you've got some extra cash and want the premium experience, TENSSENX is calling your name. Reviewers appreciate the TENSSENX for its value despite the higher price, while the ATTOP W10 is loved for its affordability. Next, let's discuss how long these bad boys can stay in the air. TENSSENX comes with two modular batteries, giving you a whopping 46 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film an entire wedding. Meanwhile, ATTOP W10 didn't exactly disclose its flight time, but let's be real, it's probably less than half of TENSSENX. So if you're planning a long journey, TENSSENX is your reliable travel buddy. If you just want a quick flight to impress your friends, ATTOP W10 will do the trick. Reviewers have praised the TENSSENX for its impressive battery life, while the ATTOP W10 is noted for its shorter flight time, but still satisfactory for casual use. Now, let's talk about the bells and whistles. TENSSENX has GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, and even voice and gesture control. It's like having a personal drone butler. ATTOP W10, not to be outdone, offers toss to launch, 360 degrees free flip, and multiple control methods, including voice and app control. It's practically a circus performer. Reviewers have highlighted TENSSENX's advanced features and reliability, while ATTOP W10 is praised for its fun and easy-to-use features. Lastly, safety. TENSSENX is lightweight and portable, less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. ATTOP W10 comes with 4 propeller guards and spare propellers, making it a great option for those of us who are a bit, let's say, accident-prone. Reviewers appreciate the TENSSENX for its ease of use and safety features, while the ATTOP W10 is noted for its durability and beginner-friendly design. Reviewers have praised the TENSSENX GPS drone for its excellent camera quality, advanced features, and impressive battery life, making it a great choice for those looking for a premium experience. The ATTOP Drone W10, on the other hand, is loved for its affordability, fun features, and beginner-friendly design, making it a great option for casual users and kids. So there you have it, folks. The TENSSENX GPS drone is like the James Bond of drones, sleek, high-tech, and ready for action. The ATTOP Drone W10 is more like your fun-loving cousin, easygoing, budget-friendly, and always up for a good time. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.